So hey bro, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if there is a glitchy sound coming from a laptop and there's no hardware problem in that, including the speakers or the wires. Now, in order to fix that, simply right click over the start menu, and here you'll see this option of device manager. Now, once you go over there, here you'll find multiple devices, multiple drivers that are installed on your laptop. Now here you need to select the audio drivers, that is nothing but sound, video and game controllers, and here you'll see this option that is AMD high definition audio or NVIDIA. In your case, if you have NVIDIA graphics, you'll notice the NVIDIA, and in case if you have some other graphics, you'll notice that particular name. All you need to do is to just simply select all of them one by one, click on this option of scan for hardware changes, and again click over there, hit on update drivers, click on browse drivers from my computer, click on this option of let me pick a list from uh, installed drivers. Here you need to just simply select the latest one, that is this one, and here hit next and install that particular driver. Same goes with both of these devices as well. Now that's definitely gonna solve your problem. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.